Welcome to a closer look at TSO's DBF-45 version 2, the BigFoot. The first thing you'll notice is the T-handle, which is a feature that's missing from the OEM part. Let's take a closer look at the footprint of the BigFoot. Look how much larger the footprint is, how much more stability you can provide. No wonder we call it the BigFoot. The accuracy of your mortise placement depends on you being able to see the alignment marks. And the alignment marks are seen through the viewport. And the viewport needs to be visible and illuminated, which is why the BigFoot has it large enough that I can get 3 fingers through there, and perhaps more importantly, the light can get in there and you can see through it. And that makes all the difference when you're matching precise mortise locations from piece to piece. Connecting the BigFoot to the domino is made easy by the fact that the faces of the BigFoot are machined flat and perpendicular. So all you need to do is place the domino and the BigFoot on a flat surface, which makes the knobs self-locating while you tighten them. When connecting the BigFoot to an auxiliary fence, we need to compensate for the thickness of the fence, and so use the lower attachment holes. And to deal with the variability of the fence material, the mounting provision for the fence is provided with elongated holes in the lower position. The auxiliary fence attaches similarly by sliding the fence on a level surface, and now connect the knobs in the lower mounting provisions, and you're set to go. Not only does the auxiliary fence allow you to place mortise in a wide area repeatedly, but it also helps you make the orientation of it extremely precise, because a tiny amount of misorientation is multiplied, is magnified when you go out of alignment. Making your own auxiliary fence is simplified with the downloadable, detailed plans easily found on the support tab on TSO's website. A handy tip from Sedge at Festool for starting and stopping the domino without jiggling at the machine is placing the fingers underneath the motor body and using the thumb to pull it against your fingers. And when you're done, very easy, just touch the knob. That way there is no movement to the domino itself. With that, remains one last task, and that is, what do you do with it when you store it? Well, you put it in the sustainer that the domino came in, and the good news is the domino BigFoot and the original part both live happily with the domino in the same sustainer, and they fit on a DF500 and they fit on a DF700 in both devices. So a universal tool that you'll be able to use on many particular domino applications that call for this level of repeatable precision. Enjoy.